How do you do? Oh, well, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Coyote, Wile-E Coyote, super genius. I believe that's the scientific term, if you will. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wiley, how come these footprints look a tad bit odd compared to a certain roadrunner? Well, to answer your question, there is a rare wild duck hidden somewhere in the areas, and I must embark on my journey to capture and consume him for my supper. Yes, sirree, I am persuaded to hunt, capture, and eat this duck. It's as logical as that.
Hey, Bubby, were you following me? Why, I'm disgusted. Why, I'm disgusted. Why, the very next time you're in complete violation of my privacy, you'll be hearing it from my lawyers.
Oh well then, even a screwball fowl would be able to give such a super genius an off day. Now let me think. This here is no ordinary wild duck I've seen beforehand. Therefore, I must think of a less complicated plan to catch him.
Well, why not make believe that it's duck season? That'll catch the little pest.
Nah, that's too obvious even for a chicken-brained hunter. I think I have an idea.
You have?
Yes, now listen, you know what a sucker he is for quality baked goods. So naturally, I bake an entire loaf of bread filled to the brim with dynamite.
Yes?
Then once he takes a bite,
Go on.
he blows up.
You ain't just whistling Dixie!
Yes? What do you want?
Well, sir, I have come to give myself up on the grounds that I can no longer fight against a super genius. Not only that, but I have one last request. I have just made out my last will and testament, but I'm gonna need a witness to make it official. Will you sign it with this?
A wise decision, my boy. You have just saved yourself from a fate worse than the frying pan. Why would you look at this? Very amateurish attempt on my person. Being a super genius can certainly have his advantages.
long. What a dope.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mud.
Well, folks, best keep in mind, mud spelled backwards is dumb.